Engine codes P0404, P0405, and P0406 all pertain to issues within the exhaust gas recirculation system. Code P0404 indicates that the EGR valve or its associated sensor is operating outside its specified performance range. More specifically, code P0405 means the engine control module has detected a lower than expected voltage from the EGR sensor circuit, while code P0406 signifies the opposite condition, a higher than normal circuit voltage from the same sensor. Here are two of the most practical solutions to fix these error code. Method A, the EGR valve. When looking at the engine from the front, the EGR valve is located towards the rear, just to the right of the center. First, carefully remove the EGR valve from your car. Then, turn the EGR valve upside down and fill it with WD-40 cleaner. Let it soak for 5 hours to allow the solvent to dissolve the carbon buildup. After the cleaned EGR valve has dried, reinstall it. If the valve is too dirty to be cleaned effectively, you may need to replace it with a new one. Method B, the intake manifold. The intake manifold sits on top of the engine and plays a key role in the combustion process. First, carefully remove the intake manifold from the engine. Use the WD-40 cleaner to remove the crud inside the intake manifold, and wipe it thoroughly to ensure all carbon buildup is gone. Reinstall the intake manifold after it has completely dried.
After the repair, you can now use the Zeus app to clear the error code. And tap the rescan button one more time to make sure everything is fine with your vehicle. To save more money on car expenses, claim a free engine code scanner at the description link below, or check out the video here for more info. You're also welcome to leave comments below, our mechanic professionals will answer them shortly. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks again for watching this video.